Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file from an Android device. Now I'm showing a very simple method. This method no need to any apps. So first of all, open Google search option. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Search here to file to PDF. Select the first option. Choose your file. Now I'm choosing my file. If you want to add any image or file, click on to create PDF. And finally click on to download, then automatically download this PDF in your gallery. So that's how you can do it.